Rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's video is about MS Word tips and tricks. Today I'll tell you 10 most useful tips in MS Word. The tip number 1 is how to write Allah in Urdu. So for that purpose you need to type F D F2 and then you need to press Alt and X key together and then you can see it will write Allah for you. Tip number 2 is how to write Muhammad in Urdu. For that purpose, you need to write FD F4. Then you need to press Alt and X key together. You can see Muhammad word will appear. And then if you need to add Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then for that purpose you need to write FDFA and then again you will press Alt key and then X key together. Then you can see Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam will be written like that. So the tip number 3 is how to make bird symbol. If you need to make a bird symbol for any of your document, then you can write 1 F54 and then A and then again you need to press Alt and X key together and then you can see this bird symbol will appear like that. Again 1F54A Alt X and then bird sign will appear. Tip number 4, how to write current time and date. Here I have already written for you, but I'll again do practice in front of you. For current time, you need to press Alt, Shift, and T together, and for date, you need to press Alt, Shift, and D key together. So for current time, I'll press Alt key, Shift key, and then T. So the current time will be appear like that. And for time, I need to press Shift, Alt, and date. So the current date will appear. So the tip number 5 is if you want to make a danger sign, for danger sign you need to type 2620 and then again you will press Alt and X key. So the danger sign will appear. So you can practice like that 2620 Alt X 2620 Alt X. So the danger sign will appear. Tip number 6 is if you want to type these three lines together, then for that purpose you need to type 2630 and then you need to press Alt and X key together. Then you can see these three lines will be appear like that 2630 Alt key and then X key together. Tip number 7 is if you want to type an arrow sign, for arrow sign you need to type 2650, then you need to press Alt and X key and then you can see the arrow sign will appear like that. Again you can do a practice 2650 and then you need to press Alt X. This arrow sign will appear 2650 Alt X. So the tip number 8 is if you want to type a Christmas sign, for Christmas sign you need to type 2670 and then again you need to press Alt and X key. 2670 Alt and X key. So this Christmas sign will appear like that. So the today's tip number 9 is, if you need to type flag sign, for flag sign you need to type 2690. Then you need to again type alt and X sign together. This flag sign will appear. Again you can do a practice 2690 alt and X sign. So this flag sign will appear. So the today's last tip is the arrow signs. If you want to make an arrow sign with the shortcut key, you need to press 2190, 2190, and then you need to again press alt and X key. You can see the left side arrow will appear. If you want a upward sign arrow key, then you need to press 2191 and then alt and X key. And the next key is, if you want a right side arrow key, then you need to press 2192 and then alt X key. And again, if you need a downward arrow key, 2193 and then alt and X. So you can see all the directions of the arrow sign will appear by pressing all these keys, which are 2190 for leftward sign, 2191 for upward, 2192 for the rightward, and 2193. And then you need to press alt plus X key and then the downward arrow sign will appear. So these are the 10 useful tips for today's video. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, like the video and share with your friends and family, and also leave the comments if you like the video and how many more videos you want me to upload on the MS Word. Thank you.